Aha. Ni inapiga eh? Napiga hii nini hii mambads inaitangwaji kunguru. Sinakura leftovers eh? All right. So here we have the crown bird, and one seems to be having the crown bird. I think it's a couple or something. So they seem to be scavenging. They seem to be scavenging. All right. The crown bird. All right. And so they are feeding. I think this one is feeding on a piece of ugali. All right. Yeah, I think it is feeding on a piece of ugali. The other one is looking as if the wing has issues. The wing is bending, and this other one is not allowing it maybe to share. But you can see the wing of that one on that side is bending on one side. This one has flown, and they have followed each other. It has flown with its food, and that is the crown bird. And if I follow where they have gone on top of a building. So let me try to follow and show you, because it has disappeared with the food. Okay, but it is up there. All right, and it is still having the food. All right, a piece of ugali. You can see their heads there at the top. At the top of the building there, you can see them. I think they got scared. So we used to remark, I'm happy to show you the crown birds. All right. See you guys. Bye guys. Subscribe to the channel and have a like of that simple video of the crown bird.